Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to screen share iPhone to TV. First of all, open up your settings. Now tap on the Wi-Fi option. Here, make sure that your iPhone is connected with some Wi-Fi. Now go to your TV and do the same process you did on your iPhone to connect them. Next, on your TV, navigate to the settings page and access the network settings. Now within the network settings, if your device is already connected, you will see its status. However, if it is your first time, then go to the Setup Connection tab and select the wireless option. After that, it will automatically search for all the available networks. So simply click on your network. When prompted for the password, simply click on OK, and then it will automatically start connecting. Also, make sure that your iPhone and TV are connected with the same Wi-Fi. Once your TV is connected, go to Settings and scroll down to find the Apple AirPlay and HomeKit option, and it should be there if you have a smart TV. So, once you are here on the AirPlay and HomeKit settings, that is all we need. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below.